We are moving to the next knot. This is the spiral knot. Now we are going to have this as our lead cord. You are going to place it, this aside, you have the two in the middle, you place this like this, you have a kind of a big cuff. You have it this way, then you bring in this, you pull it over. You are working only with the left hand side. You place it again this way, you bring this, you bring it out, you pull. Still the same, you bring this on this, you bring it this way, you pull it out. It will be twisting. That's what I call it, spiral or twisting knot. You bring this on the middle, the two in the middle, you bring it out. You can see what we are doing. Turn it this way. Still with the same hand, you bring it this way, you bring it out. The same thing. Do it this way. The same thing. Do it this way. Turn it again. So we continue. You place it this way. Bring this one out. You see that when we're working on the square knot, we're using both hands, right and left. But here, we are using only the left. You are using only the left. You place it this way. You bring this out. You pull to secure. You do it this way. Bring this one out. Instead of right, left, you are using only left. Pull it this way. Bring it out. So you can see the twisting here. This is our twisting knot.